Welcome back to the Newbird YouTube channel. Today we're going to demonstrate Hawkeye working with a Confluent Cloud setup that we're showing here. We have a cluster. It's a very straightforward setup. We have just a single producer and consumer, and we're going to do a scenario where the topic has an ACL on it that's preventing the producer from publishing messages. So we see here our metrics are fine and the error rate is 0. And we're going to trigger the error with this test manager. So let's go and initiate the failure. This is going to deploy the ACL and cause the error rate to go up. Our error rate is now back up to 2. So now that we have the error triggering, let's go and see how Hawkeye can analyze this issue. In Hawkeye, we see that the incident was raised in PagerDuty and an investigation has started. The SRE can quickly see the summary of the investigation in Hawkeye and find out what is causing the issue. So we see there was a producer authorization failures causing high error rates. And if you read the summary and description, you'll see a lot of details about what was going on, the timeline of events, the evidence, so the metrics that were gathered, and you see that Hawkeye found the root cause. So we have a producer pod that lacks proper ACL permissions for writing to the demo topic 1. And Hawkeye also provides the corrective actions. So we can copy paste these commands and fix our issue with our ACLs. You'll see down below, Hawkeye also is recommending additional monitoring for authorization failures. The SRE can stop there and fix the problem, or can dive deeper into the root cause analysis and interact with Hawkeye further. We can review all the steps that Hawkeye took to arrive at this conclusion, including all the questions it asked and the data sources it consulted. In our Confluent setup, we're gathering metrics from a lot of places. We're getting the metrics from the cluster through Prometheus. So there's a Confluent Prometheus scraper that you can deploy. There's audit logs from the broker that are captured through a subscriber running in a pod, which is logging to CloudWatch. And of course, we've got our producer pod logs and consumer logs as well, and the associated metrics available. So with all this information, Hawkeye was able to start peeling the onion with a investigation that goes through a series of steps and leverages the telemetry in a way that guarantees there's no hallucination to produce this final analysis that we saw in the summary. So the full trace of how we arrived at the conclusion is available, but for expediency, the SRE can just simply come here and fix the problem very quickly.